meter TP anchor handling tug supply, $350 US, 24 months experience. We're looking for West Africa chief engineers, about 10 chief engineers, wages $350 US per day. And also for the Caribbean area, which is expanding, Guyana, Trinidad, Tobago, offshore sectors. Perhaps now, cross fingers that the Venezuela area will grow even more, and the commerce around the Caribbean will also grow due to the recent changes. But if you're a chief engineer and you're looking to have a #1 ship owner in the planet with Candina, looking to be local, looking to be closer, have a 3-3 relationship, 3 months on, 3 months off relationship, offshore fleet, you need to have a very good English, apply urgently, because there is a huge disruption today between many nationalities, but we are looking here to have any nationality and a direct relationship with the ship owner for the long term. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Bye.